Welcome to 13408 Trailing Moss Drive, a golfer's delight in upscale Gated Lake Jovita Golf and Country Club, Dade City, Florida. This 2,201 square foot Cabana Jovita II floor plan offers an enclosed private courtyard with pool and spa, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage, all in Gated Lake Jovita. Step through the double-door entry into this amazing floor plan that offers a very private, enclosed 22 by 42 foot courtyard with its sparkling pool and elevated heated spillover spa. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath floor plan literally wraps around the pool and courtyard. You'll feel like landed royalty as you step into the grand living room dining room combo, complete with wood floors, coffered ceilings, built-ins, and a sunny lanai. The chef-inspired kitchen features oodles of maple cabinets, acres of granite, and includes a full complement of stainless appliances, tile backsplash, built-in wine chiller, a walk-in pantry, breakfast nook, and a snack bar. Bathed in natural light, the king-sized master bedroom with coffered ceilings has a double-door access to the pool. The ensuite master bath offers a jetted jacuzzi tub, walk-in shower, dual basins, a water closet, and a huge 8 by 13 foot walk-in closet. This split bedroom plan offers bedroom 2 that features its own full bath that doubles as a cabana bath. Both the bedroom and the bath have 24/7 access to the courtyard. Bedroom 3, with an adjoining sitting area, is situated in its own detached guest suite, complete with separate entry, sitting room, home office, and full bath with walk-in shower and 24/7 access to the courtyard. The laundry room offers a full-size washer and dryer, built-in sink, overhead storage, and a linen closet. Extras include 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot interior doors, a new-tone intercom, and surround sound. The AC was new in 2016, and low-cost reclaimed water means lush green landscape all year round. Once inside the Lake Jovita 24/7 guarded entry gate in this 1,054-acre upscale master plan community, residents and their guests can enjoy 36 holes of championship golf, fine dining, Sunday brunch, pro shop and grill, Har-Tru tennis courts with a full-time USPTA professional instructor, community pool with swim fit, parks for residents and their pets, sparkling lakes, an open-air exercise track, basketball, pickleball, playground, community clubhouse with fitness center, and more. Just minutes north of the fast-growing connected city of Wesley Chapel with open-air Wiregrass Mall, a new hospital, Tampa Prime Outlet Mall, and loads of shops and restaurants. 15 minutes north of New Tampa, 25 minutes north of Tampa and Tampa International Airport, and just 1 hour to Orlando. 13408 Trailing Moss Drive, your new home in Lake Jovita, Dade City, Florida.